you for coming to Pouls Kitchen. This is Chef Paul, and we're really appreciating your visiting us. So please hit the like, share, subscribe button. Forgive the camera work. My wife's not here to do this for me, and I had something really important to do today, so I want to share this with you. We're going to be making some roasted chickpea snacks. This is going to be a really awesome dish. To start, I want you to hit like, share, subscribe. Come on, guys, it really helps me out. If you want to hit us up on Patreon, it really helps us out, as we are helping different families throughout some really hard times. And YouTube doesn't really like monetizing Canadian subscribers because they don't care about us. But I do like the platform itself. I just don't agree or like the company, apparently. But anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to take some chickpeas. We're going to soak them overnight, at least overnight. Soak them maybe even 24 hours. This way they come a little bigger and a little bit better. So we're going to soak them. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a roasting pan. I'm going to use tin foil to help out a little bit. And then what we're going to do is we're going to preheat our oven. And we're going to... I'm going to use 400 degrees. I watched a couple of videos of it, and for whatever reason, they just decide not to tell you the temperature. It's kind of silly to me, but it is what it is. Just make sure they're soaked. We're going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. If this turns out really good, you'll get the rest of the video. If not, you'll never see this light of day. Ha ha ha. But yeah, seriously, this is going to be really good. Now the only thing is you just need to figure out, what kind of toppings you want to season this with. We're not going to use salt. Probably going to use a little bit of cinnamon, but not a whole lot of much. But for now, we're not going to dry this or anything like that. This will dry out enough in the oven, so that's kind of useless and silly. So 30 minutes in the oven, and then we'll be back. Alright, so this has been out of the oven it's been in there for 30 minutes. We're taking it out. Now, we do need a little bit of oil to be able to coat it, to help give it a little bit more flavor. Now, we could use vegetable oil, not the greatest of choices. We could use some avocado, or we can even use some extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to use some coconut oil. It's got a really great taste to it, great flavor, and I'm not going to get too complex. I'm going to put some pizza spice on there and ground cinnamon. Give it kind of almost like a pizza type flavor. Coconut, I think it's going to taste really good. So I'm going to put everything in this bowl. I'm going to stir it up really good. Then I'm going to put it back on the tray. And then we're going to put it back in here for another 15 minutes. We're going to let it cool down, and it should be good. So before we go further, please hit the like, share, subscribe. And Alan, if you're watching, my buddy from Miratus, and I know I probably butchered that pretty badly, I'm sorry. Alan, this is for you. I hope this makes you drool and wish you knew how to cook, buddy. But trust me, this is easy. Pan, foil. Chickpeas I've been soaking for not necessarily 24 hours, but overnight at least. Drain them. Don't have to towel anything. Don't have to dry them off. You just put them in here, all single file. Bake for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. And these are pretty crispy. They're going to get even more crispy. It's not that hard, man. You can do whatever you want. Whatever spice you want, Ellen. We're going to take this in here, dump this in here, oil, spice, flavoring. I'm going to put it back on the tray and put them back in the oven. Take it out after 15 minutes, let her cool down until it's good enough. You're done. Simple as that. We'll be back in about 15 or so minutes. Here we go. Welcome back, Alan, everybody else. We're done. These are our oven roasted chickpeas. They've been spiced. If there's a little bit too much oil on them, that's fine. What we're going to do is we're just going to let this sit and cool for a little while. Then we're going to take them out and put them in the strainer, and then just put them away and let them just finish cooling off, and this will make a really good crispy snack. Just watch it until it's done cooling down, because this is really hot right now. But when this is all done, this will taste really good, and I hope to see you later. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe button, and we'll see you later.